everyone, myself Joanna of grade 5D and I am here to explain nets of 3D shapes. Friends, first I would like to show few 3D shapes. This is a gift box and it is in the shape of a cube. A cube is a solid body having 6 equal square faces. A cube has 8 vertices, 6 faces and 12 edges. This is a figure of a cuboid. A cuboid has 12 edges, 8 vertices and 6 faces. Geometry box is an example for a cuboid. This is a figure of a triangular prism. This is called a triangular prism because the two faces are triangles and the other faces are rectangles. It has 5 faces, 6 vertices and 9 edges. This box is in the shape of a triangular prism. Now friends, let's understand the nets of 3D shapes. A net is a pattern that we can cut and fold to make a 3D shape. Remember friends, a net of a 3D shape not only contains the faces of the 3D shape, but also the right arrangement of the faces. These are the nets of 3D shapes. This is a net of a cuboid. We can see that the rectangular faces and the square faces are arranged side by side. And there are 4 rectangular faces and 2 square faces. Now, let's fold this net. When we fold this net, we get a cuboid. This is a net of a triangular prism. It has a rectangular base and 2 triangular side faces. So in total, there are 3 rectangular faces and 2 triangular side faces. Now let's fold this net. This is a net of a cube. Doesn't it look like stairs made up of 6 squares? Now let's fold this net. When we fold this net, we get a cube. Friends, there are exactly 11 nets that will form a cube. Wasn't that interesting? I hope my presentation was informative. Thank you.